Hey there, tech aficionados! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and explore the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Today, we have something that's sure to rev up your computer's performance: the crucial 64GB DDR5 RAM kit. Before we dive into the world of DDR5 memory, let's take a moment to appreciate the importance of RAM in boosting your computer's capabilities. The crucial 64GB DDR5 RAM kit is not your ordinary memory upgrade. It's designed to unlock the true potential of your 12th Gen Intel Core laptop processors. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or a professional handling heavy workloads, this RAM kit is here to supercharge your computing experience. Now, let's talk speed and bandwidth. This DDR5 memory kit operates at a lightning-fast speed of 4800MT/s, providing your system with the necessary power to handle demanding tasks. You'll experience reduced load times, faster file transfers, and smoother performance across the board. What sets DDR5 apart from its predecessors is its extreme performance right out of the box. With data transfer rates up to 1.75 times faster and up to 2 times more bandwidth than DDR4, you'll notice the difference in real-world scenarios. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless multitasking. Some text goes here, but what about latency, you might ask? Well, here's the good news. DDR5 system latency, measured in nanoseconds, is only marginally longer than DDR4 during testing. In practical terms, it means you get all that extra speed without sacrificing responsiveness. Efficiency matters too, and crucial DDR5 delivers. With on-module voltage regulation and a power management integrated circuit, this RAM kit optimizes power usage and offers cleaner power regulation. Plus, it operates at a lower voltage compared to DDR4, contributing to better efficiency. Now, you might be wondering, can I use this DDR5 kit with my current system? Well, here's the catch. It's compatible only with DDR5-enabled laptops, not DDR4-enabled ones. So, if you're rocking the latest tech, this is a game-changer for you. Before we wrap up, remember that Crucial, as a brand, is synonymous with quality and reliability. With a 5-year warranty and the backing of Micron, a trusted name in memory technology, you're in good hands. Don't settle for less when it comes to memory upgrades. So, whether you're a professional tackling heavy workloads or a gamer looking for that competitive edge, the crucial 64GB DDR5 RAM kit is your ticket to a smoother, faster computing experience. If you found this review informative and you're ready to level up your computer's performance, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay tech savvy and keep those systems running at their best.